guys. Na-invite si annoying husband kasama ako. Saan ba nila? Anong number? 15? Anong number tinipe mo? Ang ganda ng mga bahay. Sana all.
Ano number ng bahay mo? 19.
15 yun. 21 na to eh.
Ikot na lang. Alam ko na.
23 ah. Layo ha. Makikikain kami ng lunch. Sabi ni ano yung husband, may lechon daw. Yeah!
Ayun, 19. So, pwede.
Diyan. Pero dapat Ay, Han! Baka pa... Yan naman, pasta ka na lang dumaan. Ang ganda! Mag-vlog tayo. Si ano yung husband na rin yung ano. Makikikain kami po.
Pre, pasok pre! Pasok pre! Ay, mga
Makikikain.
bisita ko pala pare, mga reyes ko.
Musta po?
Mga reyes ko. Sige, mag-randal mo, okay lang.
Ha? Thank you sa invite.
May red horse! Basta, buti nakarating kayo.
Oo nga. Thank you sa invite. Kailan kayo nakalipat? Kailan kayo nakalipat?
No, ano pa nung March pa sa kala. Hey! Hey!
Hey! Ang magkasakoy ako.
Reyes! Reyes! Kasama niya Reyes.
Mga ano.
Sinong may birthday?
Wala, ano yung anak ko, tsaka yung anak niya, nagsabay ng graduation sa uni.
Ah.
Kaya ano na lang, pinag-isa na lang.
Kagabi nag-message ako.
Sa Cavite City. Sa amin.
Ganda ng bahay ah.
Sa inyo.
Ay, kain na kayo!
Pare, kain mo na pare. Kain mo na.
Luhan kayo.
Langaw eh. Kain mo na, kain mo na. Sige, kain mo na.
Kumain na, kumuha ka na.
They have their own, they have this Filipino.
My son. This is my son.
It's like whiskey.
Pare, Reyes, pre. Kasama niya Reyes.
Sa
In front of Kuya Rizzo.
Bahay na tayo guys. Hindi tayo nakapag-vlog ng bongga. Kasi ibang preni, hindi natin masyadong close. So, slight lang yung na video natin. Ayan. So, bye guys. Good night. Ang sarap ng lechon. Meeting nga pa ata ako. Bye!
2,000 years later.
Waiting tayo sa bisita. Ayan ang ating bisita. Where is my baby? Come here, my baby. Come here, my baby. Hello, how are you? Good. Hello, Alex. Don't cry. Don't cry. Mommy is here. Mamu, Mamu. Call me Mamu. Mag-shower ka na.
Dali na, ipapato ko pa yun.
Don't cry, don't cry. Mamu is here. Mamu is here. How's my baby love? How's my baby love? Ah, Cuckoo! Hi, Kiki, you're so cute. In your house? No. Why? Why is crying? No. Go, eat. Alex.
Is it ready?
Ready, cook.
Oh.
Rice and you eat squid? Huh? Yeah?
Yeah, I had to make squid adobo. Huh?
Yeah, No. Pakainin mo sila, Han.
Eat. We call it food.
Huwag mo ilagay yan dyan.
Have a seat, Katie. Have a seat.
Paano kami picture dali? Take a photo with my baby love. Malayo ah.
Have you guys eaten yet? You guys eat already?
With Curry on the floor and just about a bottom five offense with him off the floor. This far tonight,
Ilan mo?
bottom five with him on the floor. He's only 2 out of 8 from the field, 1 of 5 from three-point range. He's awful. Golden's gonna have to find other sources.
Oh, bakit napunta ko dyan?
You are tiny. What do you think you are? 6 foot?
How are you, my baby?
Tundra, Toyota's flagship truck. It's here and it's ready for everything. With our most powerful performance hybrid engine, undeniable Toyota quality, and a 4.5-ton brake time capacity. It's ready to work hard and play harder.
My baby love is here.
Are you